Welcome back to the channel, and today we have these to unbox. They're the Samsung Buds Live. Just really going to be doing the unboxing, seeing what's on the box, what's inside, first impressions. Let's just get straight to it. We will be doing the unboxing now. Just look at the box, it's nice, it's got like nice feel to it on the back of the box. That feel goes all around the box. Just on the box it says Galaxy Buds Live. They're the bean shaped. Going to the side, it just says the manufacturing date, serial number, Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. It has a nice shine to it. On this side it's got no writing as well. Looking at the back of it, I'll just bring that in closer. So it's just got ergonomic fit, a 6 to 12 hour playtime, battery life, mic to pick up noises, a better mic for clear calls, and active noise cancellation. Let's get this open now. Let's use our trusted cutter to get this open. Got 2 seals. Yeah. And here. So, very nicely compact. You've got the actual earbuds itself, and nice little packing. Let's just put that on the side. Let's see what else is in the box. This doesn't actually say on the box what it is. It's a charging cable. Let's get rid of this box. That is a USB-A to USB-C cable, nice matte finished, nice little touch. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is obviously to charge the Buds Live. And look at that. That is 2 That is the unboxing of the Samsung Buds Live. Hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll catch you next time. Thank you.